Did you know? 80% of millionaires didn't inherit their wealth, they built it from scratch. But here's the shocking part. Most people who earn $100,000 a year still live paycheck to paycheck. Why? Because they don't understand the secrets to building wealth that lasts a lifetime. Welcome to Build Wealth That Lasts a Lifetime. Think about it. Wouldn't you want financial freedom, not just for yourself, but for your children and even their children? Wealth isn't just about having money, it's about creating a foundation that supports your dreams today and secures your legacy for tomorrow. Too many people chase quick fixes or the latest financial trends, only to end up back at square one. True wealth building isn't flashy, it's a steady, deliberate process. And today we're unlocking the blueprint to not only grow your money, but make it last for generations. So whether you're just starting out or already on your journey, this video will guide you through the strategies and mindset needed to build wealth that truly lasts. Why do so many people struggle to build lasting wealth? It's not because they lack intelligence or ambition. The truth is, we live in a system that rewards spending over saving and makes financial discipline feel like an uphill battle. With credit cards, loans, and instant gratification everywhere, it's easy to fall into a cycle of debt, leaving little room for wealth accumulation. Debt is one of the biggest roadblocks to wealth building. High-interest credit card balances, student loans, and even unnecessary car payments can eat away at your income before you have a chance to save or invest. Without a clear strategy to eliminate debt, it becomes nearly impossible to grow your wealth and create financial stability. Another challenge is poor investment choices, often fueled by a lack of education. Many people are afraid to invest because it feels risky or complicated, while others chase quick wins in volatile markets and end up losing money. The absence of a solid investment plan leads to missed opportunities for long-term wealth growth. Finally, the most overlooked challenge is the lack of financial literacy. Schools don't teach us how to budget, save, or grow wealth, leaving most people to figure it out through trial and error. Without proper knowledge and guidance, people unknowingly make mistakes that keep them stuck in a paycheck-to-paycheck cycle instead of moving toward financial freedom. How we develop wealth. Building wealth isn't about luck or shortcuts, it's about consistent strategic actions that grow your financial foundation over time. The first step is understanding and implementing key principles, such as saving a portion of your income, creating a realistic budget, and prioritizing investments that yield long-term returns. These are the building blocks of financial success. Another vital element is shifting your mindset. Instead of focusing solely on earning more money, focus on how to make your money work for you. This means exploring avenues like passive income and smart financial habits that compound over time. Let's break down 5 proven strategies that will help you start your journey toward lasting wealth. One of the simplest yet most powerful wealth-building strategies is to pay yourself first. This means setting aside a portion of your income, ideally 20%, for savings or investments before you pay any bills or spend on luxuries. Think of it as rewarding your future self before anyone else. The beauty of this approach is that it works for any income level. Even if you're starting small, consistency is what matters. Automating this process ensures you save without even thinking about it, turning a good habit into a lifelong practice. When you pay yourself first, you create a safety net and investment pool that grows over time. This not only helps in emergencies but also gives you the capital needed to seize financial opportunities such as investing in stocks, property, or starting a business. Budgeting is not about restricting yourself, it's about taking control of your money. The 50-30-20 rule is a simple yet effective framework. Allocate 50% of your income to necessities, 30% to discretionary spending, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. A budget helps you track where your money goes and identify areas where you might be overspending. This awareness is the first step toward redirecting those funds into wealth-building activities like investments or paying off debt faster. Budgeting also builds financial discipline, helping you prioritize your long-term goals over short-term gratification. Over time, this discipline becomes the cornerstone of your financial success. Investing early is the closest thing to a financial superpower. Thanks to the magic of compound interest, even small investments made in your 20s can grow exponentially over decades. Time is your greatest ally in building wealth. Consistency is just as important as starting early. Make it a habit to invest a set amount every month regardless of market conditions. This strategy, known as dollar-cost averaging, minimizes risk and maximizes long-term growth. Investing isn't just for the wealthy. Today, there are countless platforms and tools that allow you to start with as little as $100. The key is to start now, and let time do the heavy lifting for you. Passive income is the secret weapon of wealth builders. Unlike active income, which requires you to trade time for money, passive income works for you even while you sleep. Examples include rental income, dividends from investments, and digital products. Creating passive income requires an initial investment of time or money, but the long-term benefits are immense. Once established, it provides a steady cash flow that can supplement your active income or eventually replace it entirely. Imagine the freedom of knowing that your passive income covers all your monthly expenses. This is the ultimate goal of financial independence, and it's achievable with consistent effort and smart choices. Debt is often the biggest obstacle to wealth building, but not all debt is created equal. High-interest debt, such as credit cards, should be tackled aggressively, while low-interest debt, like a mortgage, can be managed strategically. A popular method for eliminating debt is the debt snowball technique, where you focus on paying off the smallest debt first while making minimum payments on the rest. This builds momentum and keeps you motivated. Once you're free of high-interest debt, redirect those payments into investments or savings. This not only boosts your financial health, but also accelerates your path to long-term wealth. The turning point in your wealth-building journey is understanding the immense power of compound interest. Albert Einstein called it the eighth wonder of the world for a reason. Compound interest allows your money to grow exponentially over time, as you earn interest not just on your initial investment but also on the accumulated interest. Here's an example. If you invest $10,000 at an 8% annual return, it will grow to nearly $160,000 in 40 years. Now imagine if you add to that investment every month. The results are staggering, proving that time and consistency are your greatest allies in building wealth. Beyond the numbers, compound interest teaches an important lesson about patience and discipline. It's not about making quick wins but staying consistent with your investments, even during market fluctuations. This long-term approach sets you apart from the majority. When you pair compound interest with passive income streams, the results are transformative. You're no longer working for money, your money is working for you. This is the key to building wealth that not only lasts a lifetime, but creates a legacy. To recap, building lasting wealth requires a combination of smart saving, disciplined budgeting, consistent investing, and the creation of passive income streams. Eliminating debt and understanding the power of compound interest are also critical steps in this journey. Remember, wealth building is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about making small, consistent efforts every day that compound over time. With the right mindset and strategies, financial freedom is not just a dream, it's an achievable goal. Now it's your turn. What's the one step you're going to take today to start building your wealth? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next video, where we'll dive into beginner-friendly investment strategies. Let's build a wealthier future together.